Okay, RM, June, summer 2018. I got a few snacks going on. Apple fritters, they're not very tasty. They're a bit doughy. And I'm trying out different ramen noodles. So far I like these cups more. These cups are very fragile. I got a couple things in the back there. Just for snacks, I got this a bowl that I want to show you. It's very good for snacks for me, and this is the lid. Sistema bowl lid. I'm just gonna microwave me some lunch. Okay, this is the bowl itself. It's got a snap to it. These are all the snaps that you snap into the crease. Now if it breaks, I think it's pretty much useless. On Amazon they vary, so you just have to watch out in prices, but I think also in design they vary, these sistema bowls. So I'm just upstairs right now, my little snack area that I have. I'm not in my kitchen downstairs, so I make few things in the evening or nighttime. These are really good for me. I don't like the square one. The cup that I use is pretty much what you expect for student living, student life. I don't have a mini fridge. I could put one down here, but I got a fridge downstairs, so I don't really need one that badly upstairs. Maybe to keep my popcorn, but I'm working on a few canvases that I can show you. Did a couple of animal drawings. Oh, the sistema microwave bowl cooker. Amazon, it varies in shape a little bit. For the handle at least. Nice thing, it's about 15, maybe 20 bucks. It's pretty hot. Because, yeah, this is a clipper. See the steam popping from it. It's very good snack bowl. A few snacks, I guess, today. Thanks for watching 2018 Summer RM. End of the month almost. Also, these Disney cups. They're very expensive. If you notice them online, they sell them anywhere for like 20 to 30 bucks. I'm not sure why they're so expensive. Guess it's a collector's item. Yeah, a few snacks I go through. This one's not too bad. This one's okay too, but the cup for this one's very weak. I don't like the square ones as much, so I just buy these round ones for my noodles. Thanks for watching. So pretty much I just wanted to show you this system type of microwave bowl. Not too bad. Don't need to eat with that on. So, it's very hot. About 2 minutes or so in the microwave. Thanks for watching. RM. Well, here's the little update. I did the fox drawing and the bear drawing on the canvases. So they look like I did sell a long time ago, but I don't sell anymore. It's very expensive to sell them. Plus, you have to pay the space commission. But you don't make much unless you sell them for like $700 to $800 a piece. It's the space you're at. Usually they take like 50% at least. Unless you're selling privately, then you can sell a little bit cheaper for like 400, 500. Even that's not with the frame or anything. And it's not a painting, it's just a drawing. So I'm not going to be doing any painting this year because I'm doing work with my animation, and this is part of my animation studies. I try to follow some of Aaron Blaze's work, but not a whole lot because I don't want to be stuck under him or any of the other people that do animation studies. So learn what you can with what you can afford, and that's about it. Unless you want to apply to school and study it full time, then the best way to do it. But I already did fine art in school, so kind of too late for animation for me. But for some of you, probably applying to animation, good luck. Alright, thanks for watching.